Director General Lasso, mula nang nag-umpisa yung mga congressional hearings ng dangerous drugs, public order, public accounts, at saka yung Committee on Human Rights, there seems to be a common denominator doon sa usaping yon, no? At hindi nawawala yung usapin tungkol sa drugs. No? Do you have any information that you wish to share to the committee with respect to perhaps your findings or your mga datos na nandiyan dyan sa inyo, Director General Lasso?
Yes, Your Honors. This is our first time, for PIDEA to join this hearing. We have been actively participating in the committees on the EJK hearings and the Committee on Dangerous Drugs. In the hearings that we joined, we took note of the matrices or diagrams that were presented during these hearings, and when we went back to our office, we crafted a better diagram on how it can be clearly seen how they are connected with each other. And after we made that diagram, I shared it with PAOCC, Yusek Gilbert Cruz. Because inputted in that diagram is that there was a report which came out of the Senate hearings that a certain brother of Michael Yang, can I just refer to a certain brother of Michael Yang, who is Hu Jiang, also known as Yang Hung Jiang, is an incorporator or part of Full Win Group of Companies and Paili Estate Group Corporation. Now, in the hearings of the Senate, it was revealed that Baofu Land Development Incorporated, wherein Mayor Alice Leal Goo is an incorporator, received money from the joint account of Yang's brother, Hong Jiang Yang, and one, Yu Zheng Kan. Supposed to be, or reportedly, this money was used to bankroll Hongsheng Gaming Technology, the builder of Pogo Complex in Banpan, raided in March 13, Your Honors. And so, again, these are not part of our holdings. We just collated what we heard from Congress and from the Senate and came up with this diagram. And that's where we saw the connection of Mayor Go and Hong Jiang Yang, a brother of Michael Yang.
Okay, thank you, DG. Other than that information, wala nang ibang link or connection?
No more, Your Honor.
Okay. Sige, thank you, DG.
A while ago, I was about to ask the PIDEA. Kasi may tanong ako sa PIDEA about doon sa... Have you encountered yung RMCE Metal Products Trading Company? Are you familiar with this, with this company? Wherein the accounts of Alice Go went to this company?
No, Your Honor.
No, okay. Andito ba ang AMLAC? AMLAC, please. Yan, AMLAC. In your investigation, have you encountered this RMCE Metal Products Trading Company? Kasi in relation to the filing of the cases by AMLAC against para po doon sa ex parte petition for issuance of freeze order, lumabas po yung company RMCE. At ito po ay nasa Court of Appeals. I have a copy of this case wherein 800,000 was transferred to RMCE. Are you familiar with this?
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You are familiar with the RMCE. So ano yung company na to? Kasi in relation to the case, lumalabas dito ay person of interest for drug trafficking.
Sir,
Is this true?
yes, Mr. Chair. Actually, RMCE had been already a company of interest in one of our earlier freeze orders po.
So na-freeze na yung kanilang
Opo, actually, naka-file na po yung civil forfeiture case against an RMCE account, sir.
against the RMCE. RMCE
Way
is
back-
what? What
way
company
back-
is this?
Way back 2019 po ito, sir. Nahagip po ito as a related account in a freeze order ng isa sa mga POIs po natin sa drugs po.
And is it true that aside from RMCE, there are a lot of point of person of interest with regards to the drug trafficking?
Yes, Mr. Chair, it's something that we're looking into right now.
So in other words, it is safe to assume that the matrix that we have drafted and shown, lumalabas that si Alice Go, yung kanyang banban, and most likely, baka din sa PORAC, there are related drug trafficking issues that we have to consider.
Yes, Mr. Chair. We're looking into transactions from Alice Go to some ano po, yung
At dun sa account ni Alice Go, going to the account of Wang Jingyang, na kapatid ni Michael Yang, have you already established the yung 3.3 billion that mentioned in this case?
We're checking pa po, Mr. Chair, yung details po ng mga amounts and transactions involved. Pero yung pong ano po, ang nakita po namin, Mr. Chair, ano po, yung tinatanong niyo pong POI,
RMCE?
Hindi po, yung individual po. Yung na-freeze po natin dito.
Si Wang Jingyang?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, naka-freeze na account niya.
Opo, actually, sir, it was a joint account with one personality po na incorporator doon sa Hongshen Gaming po. So, ka-joint account po niya doon. Kaya ho, nahagip yung kanya account po.
Yeah. How about you sa West Cars? Kasi we have invited the West Cars, di ba si JP dyan, Patrick Samson in the last hearing? Because yung kanyang pangalan appeared na meron din. And this is I think, a friend of Alice Go.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I can confirm that part po ng mga frozen po yun.
Confirm din.
Opo.
Okay. So we'll be asking Mayor Paul Batawil, our colleague, former colleague. Mayor,
Yes, Your
Paul,
Yes, Your Honor.
because in the last hearing, we requested the different mayors to help us in the closing of those 402 illegal pogos in the whole country. And we ask you to somehow help us to comply with the request of this committee. So what is the status of this compliance?
Yes, Your Honor. In compliance therewith, I have here the folders, and I'm ready to submit those compliances, stating therein that the concerned LCEs, local chief executives, were already notified by my national president, Mayor J.B. Bernos, and I'm representing him, Your Honor.
Okay, so yung compliance po niyan ay positive po ba yung nandyan?
It's a letter directive for our members who were identified to explain therein that they complied therewith on the presidential order.
And if I may, Mayor, so have you given them time element? Because all those mentioned there have been identified, the addresses and everything. So I think there's no reason for non-compliance. Am I right?
Yes, Your Honor, and it is the desire of the national president to invite them further, and personally, they are going to render their respective compliances, including, by the way, let me also add that there is no POGO identified in Pangasinan, except for one, where we also required his personal explanation on the matter of relationship, which the good mayor of Sual stated therein officially that he denied the reported relationship as stated last week during our meeting. Your
So,
Honor. And
Mayor Suwal of what municipality?
Pangasinan, Your Honor.
Pangasinan. So
Yes,
he
sir.
denied that there was a...
He denied that there was some kind of relationship as had been reported and asked earlier last
relationship.
week. And that forms part of my compliance to the committee, Your Honor.
Okay, so ano yun? Personal relationship. Wala silang relasyon ni Alice Go.
It had been denied, Your Honor.
He denied it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And what's the name of the mayor?
Maybe it's on the record, Your
Mayor.
Honor. The good mayor of Sual is Mayor Kalugay.
Kalugay. Okay, si Mayor Kalugay.
Umani naman ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon mula sa ating mga netizens. Ayon kay Lupo Francisco, wala naman problema kung BF ni Alice si Sual Mayor Dong Kalugay, maliban na lang kung meron ng pamilya si Kalugay. Pahayag naman ni Emlia Escanio, tapos na maliligayang araw mo Kalugay, dapat sa'yo makasuhan at makulong. At ito naman ang saloobin mula sa ating kababayan na si Ryan Lopez, dapat talaga ikulong din ang mayor ng Sual for treason. Mga kababayan, feel free to comment below para maglabas ng saloobin sa balitang ito.